Which one is better, the 2021 KoAloha Red Label Silver Anniversary or the 2021 Kanile'a Platinum tenor? I don't know. Let's find out in this video. I need your help in this video to figure out which one of these amazing instruments, they are both amazing, but which one looks better, which one sounds better, and of course, I'm the only one that's going to be able to play both of them and tell you which one plays better. But first of all, thanks for being here. I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm very honored to be able to do videos like this. One, because both of these are amazing companies, KoAloha, Kanilea. I know them both personally very well. We do a lot of business together, partnerships together. So anyway, I'm also very happy that both of these are available at store.ukelikethepros.com, but probably won't last long because they are so amazing. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, haven't done so, please subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons, the tutorials, reviews, challenges, giveaways we do right here on my channel. All right, 2021 KoAloha Red Label Silver Anniversary. This is their tenor. This is actually was supposed to be done last year, but due to COVID, it got pushed back a little bit. So anyway, this is a very, very special instrument. They're only making 10 of these ones with the all koa wood. And then this one is a 2021 Platinum Kanilea tenor. Absolutely stunning as well. I'm not going to go over every aspect of these two ukuleles because I have separate videos on the KoAloha Silver Red, and I also have a separate one on this one if you want to watch those where I dive deep into each one of these instruments. This one, though, I need your help. Which one do you like the way it looks? Which one do you like the way it sounds? Leave those comments below as we're going through this. I'm going to be playing both of these, doing some strumming, doing some finger picking, and if you know me, also going to be doing some blues. Now, how am I recording this? I'm trying something new here. So I always have my shotgun mic up here. This is my Sennheiser ME66/K6. I don't think they make these mics anymore, but they're actually fantastic. So that's going to be right here above me. And then I decided to bring in, let's make sure I don't hit anything. Don't want to touch these things. These are too valuable, too special instruments. Right here, facing the sound hole, I have another shotgun mic, the Rode. What is it? NTG-2. Okay, so anyway, want to make sure you see I have both of these mics right here. So you can hear, we'll do a little bit of blending so you can really get a nice sound of these two ukuleles. But before we get started, which one, just off the bat, do you think you'll like a little bit more? The KoAloha, Kanilea, leave that comment below. All right, what else? I don't know. Let's just dive in. Why don't we start with a little strumming? We'll start with the KoAloha, we'll end with the Kanilea. I'll go back and forth just doing a little strumming. You can really hear the difference between these two amazing instruments. Then I'll talk a little bit about the wood, the strings, all that kind of stuff right after this first playthrough. All right, that was the first playthrough, a little strumming. Did you like the KoAloha? Did you like the Kanilea? Leave that comment below. Let me just talk a little bit about each instrument before I do a little finger picking. So let's start with the KoAloha. This is the KoAloha KTM-25. This is their Red Label Silver Anniversary. This is absolutely amazing. This is a tenor ukulele. This is made by the one and only Paul and Grizz over at KoAloha. They made 10 of the mango maple ones, and then they made 10 of these all koa ones. So again, if you want more information on this one, I have a separate video doing that, and also check out store.ukelikethepros.com if this is something you're interested in. But I'll just go over basically just got all premium, really nice koa wood. We do have the rosette, which is an added feature for the red label, as well as the binding, which is that. But this is all beautiful premium koa wood here. This is a tenor size. The other things they do really nice here on these silver anniversaries, besides a really cool label inside, they have the nice hip shot tuners here as well. They have the ebony head plate, and then they have the silver anniversary logo here, as well as the 25-year here, right here in the neck. So basically, this is it. This is their tenor. This is absolutely amazing. 2021 KoAloha Red Label Silver Anniversary. Now we got the Kanilea 2021 Platinum. For the last few years, Kanilea has been releasing a new, different, amazing series called the Platinum Series, dedicating a different style instrument for each year. This one is the brand new 2021. It's very unique. Let's just go over it real quick. Again, I do have a separate video if you want to just see this, find out all the specs, here's some more playing on it. And again, store.ukelikethepros.com if you're interested in this. But what they did is they did master grade koa. I think I might have called it Jedi Knight or Yoda something grain. I don't know. It's really an amazing wood grain on this one. They did put the sound hole here with these things. I don't know what these are, just kind of nice curves, nice little flames. They do have a nice little armrest here, and then also you got that same pattern motif here of the flames right here, and then also you have the sound port right here, as well as the little scallop neck right there. So absolutely stunning. Check out the sides. You do have the maple binding, which is really beautiful flame maple. The master grade koa on the sides, and then the back as well. Just that really beautiful, beautiful koa. This one is a tenor size, not a super tenor, but a normal tenor size. It does have this motif going up the neck here, as well as the slotted headstock, and also the micro tuners here. So anyway, again, this is the 2021 Platinum from Kanilea. Thanks for being here. I appreciate subscribing to the channel and also smashing that like button. All right, so just based off looks, which one do you like the way it looks? Not only the wood grain, but is there a shape that you like? Is one calling you? The KoAloha is a little bit more of a traditional ukulele shape, and the Kanilea is kind of going for a little bit more of a modern, contemporary look with this. But leave that comment below which one you like. For me, I'm going to start doing a little finger picking. All right, so which one do you got now on the finger picking? The KoAloha or the Kanilea? Leave that comment below. Let's talk about the strings real quick. I didn't mention that. The KoAloha has the low G all unwound, so unwound low G, while the Kanilea has a low G as well, which is cool because not all the Kanileas come with low G, but this one has a wound low G, just so we got that out of the way. So anyway, wow. I mean, I wish you could play these here, and I wish you could just hear them if you're here in the room with me. Like I said, I have the two mics, one here at the bottom, both shotgun mics, both really nice mics. But man, if you could just hear these things, hear the presence, hear the volume, hear the tone of these two things just being live, you'd be blown away. But I guess that's one of my bonuses of having these two great instruments at my store. Again, at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, you know me, I love the blues. Let's do a little blues and take this out and figure out which one of these amazing instruments is the best. right, who takes the blues round? Leave that comment below. Okay, it's decision time for you right now. The KoAloha Silver Anniversary. This is KTM-25 Red Label Silver Anniversary tenor. The Kanilea 2021 Platinum tenor. Absolutely fantastic. Again, store.ukelikethepros.com if you're interested in any one of these. You really need to have both of them. It's one of those things that I do these videos because I have the opportunity to have both of these instruments. If you just had one of them by itself, you would just think it's the greatest instrument. But because I have these both, I get to do these comparison videos for you. Do you like these? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button if this is something you like. And if there's other battle royales that you want to see between different instruments, let me know, and I'll see what I can do to accommodate that. So anyway, let's talk about this real quick. KoAloha, they have a big sound, probably one of the biggest sounds of any ukulele that I've ever played. It's kind of a nice, big, open, full sound. Feels great, has a great neck on it, and the low G, the unwound low G, gives you a little bit more of an open sound with it. The Kanilea, okay, this one to me has a little bit more of a bass response to it. Now I am hearing the sound port here, so I'm feeling it coming up here, but I think also because it doesn't have the traditional sound hole, it's giving you a little bit more of a bassier sound. Also, Kanilea in general, it has a little bit of a tighter sound, so it's not quite as wide open. That does have a little bit to do with the wound low G. Wound low G's to give you a little bit more of a focused sound. So a little bit bassier, a little bit tighter of a sound with the Kanilea. Now neck-wise, the neck's a little bit thicker on this particular Kanilea. It feels a little wider, and just it feels a little bit thicker as I move up and down the neck, while the KoAloha, especially these red labels, have a really nice slim profile. So anyway, amazing instruments. Which one, if you just had to pick one, which one would you want? Leave that comment below. The KoAloha KTM-25 Red Label Silver Anniversary, the Kanilea 2021 Platinum tenor. I don't know. Leave those comments below. I appreciate you being here. Hopefully you like those kind of videos. Let me know by smashing the like button, subscribing, and leaving those comments. So anyway, fantastic. Fantastic. I know you're probably going, Terry, which one would you choose? I know you want me to answer that question, but I'm going to leave it at this. You need both of these in your quiver of ukuleles.